Hi friends, this channel is about unknown content of animals, like pet animals, wild animals, mammals, birds, fishes, and etc. This channel is very helpful for students to learn and write essay about animals. And today I am going to talk about horse. Horses are one of the strongest domestic animals. The average speed of horse is 88 km per hour. Horses usually eat dry grass, graze, and drinks a gallon of water each day. A horse is employed for various functions like defense, entertainment, and poultry sports such as racing. There are more than 60 million horses in the world. Horses can see 360 degrees because their eyes are set on the side. The average life of a healthy horse is 25 to 30 years. Horses are used in warfare also. Soldiers used to ride horses and go to the battlefield in wars with the enemies. From horses, we also obtain their skin for making leather products, bones for medicines, and horse hair for furniture stuffings. Horseback riding offers many mental, physical, and emotional benefits for children and adults. Horseback riding is an excellent form of exercise as it requires strength, balance, and coordination. It helps to improve posture, muscle tone, and flexibility. Horses cannot breathe through their mouth, only their nose. Thank you for watching Animal Kingdom. Please subscribe the channel, like, comment, and share.